You look like someone who drives a truck. A real truck. Not a hybrid or a crossover or a minivan. Nothing wrong with those, I guess. They just aren't for you, are they? You drive something that works with you. Something you don't mind getting banged around or picking up a few scratches here and there. Something you can toss your gear into or jump into the cab without having to wipe off your boots. Yeah, that's you all right. When your truck needs new tires, where do you go? Sure, the dealerships are nice and clean. Plenty of big windows letting in all that natural light. Heck, they probably even get you an espresso and a cookie while you read the paper. But that doesn't interest you, does it? No. You just need a great price on tires that perform to your standards. That's why you go to North Rock Truck and Tire. They get you, and they have the BF Goodrich tires you want. Drive north, friend. I'll see you on the road.